As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Napoleon Prestige PRO 665. Quite a difference in price, huh?
Massive. The Charbroil is around $150, and the Napoleon is like $3,500. What's the deal?
Well, the Charbroil is a portable tabletop grill. It's got a single 9,500 BTU burner and 200 square inches of cooking space. Perfect for tailgating or camping.
Right, compact and convenient. The Napoleon, on the other hand, is a full-sized grill. We are talking about 5 stainless steel burners, 99,000 BTUs, and over 1,100 square inches of cooking area. Plus, it has an infrared side burner and a rear rotisserie burner.
So power and size are huge factors. The Charbroil uses a small propane tank, while the Napoleon probably needs a full-sized one.
Definitely. And the Napoleon has all these extra features. LED lit knobs, interior lights, even a built-in smoker tray. It's like a grilling command center.
The Charbroil is more basic. It's got a temperature gauge, push-button ignition, and a grease tray. Pretty standard stuff for a portable grill.
Yeah, but the Napoleon's cooking grids are stainless steel, and the Charbroils are porcelain-coated steel. Stainless steel is more durable and easier to clean, I think.
True, but the Charbroil uses Charbroil's TRU-Infrared cooking system, which they claim eliminates flare-ups and cooks food evenly.
The Napoleon boasts dual-level sear plates, so it sears at high heat. Plus, the rotisserie burner is great for cooking large cuts of meat evenly.
And what about portability? The Charbroil weighs only 20 pounds. That's a big difference compared to the Napoleon at over 330 pounds.
You're not wrong. The Napoleon is definitely staying put on the patio. It's more of a permanent fixture. It's like comparing a bicycle to a car.
Exactly. So, if you need a grill for on-the-go grilling, the Charbroil is a good option. If you're looking for a high-end, feature-rich grill for home use, the Napoleon is worth considering. Gonsher, Donsher, you have the budget.
Agreed. It's all about what you need and how much you're willing to spend.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.